Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the quick solutions of All India Akash Test Series JEE Main 2020 Test 6 Code C and D Mathematics, which was held on 17th February 2019. So let us start with question number 61, which says that the value of cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta up to 10 terms is. Let us say the value is equal to S. So S is equal to cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta up to 10 terms. That is up to cos 2 raised to the power 9 theta. Now, if I multiply and divide by 2 into sin theta, right? So, in the numerator here, I will have 2 sin theta. Now, 2 sin theta into cos theta can be clubbed and can be written as sin 2 theta. Similarly, again, multiplying and dividing by 2, we will get sin 4 theta and so on. Right? So, this will be equal to sin of 2 raised to the power 10 theta upon 2 raised to the power 10 into sin theta. Now, the value of theta is given to be equal to pi upon 64. So putting the value, this will be equal to sin 2 raised to the power 10 into theta. Theta is pi upon 64, that is 2 raised to the power 6 upon 2 raised to the power 10 into sin of pi upon 64. Now, cancelling this, we will get 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16 pi, that is equal to 0. Hence, the correct answer is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 62, which says that sides of a triangle ABC are A equal to 5 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2, B is equal to 5 root 2 upon 2 and C is equal to 5. Altitudes drawn from the vertices A, B and C intersect sides BC, CA and AB at the points D, E and F respectively. The circumradius of triangle DEF is. Let us say this is the triangle ABC. So this length A is given to us and B is given to us, right? And C is also given to us. Now, altitudes are drawn from A, B and C. That is, this is right angle. And this point is D, this is E and this is F. Now, the circumradius of triangle DEF is what we have to find. Now, we know that triangle DEF is pedal triangle of triangle ABC. So, circumradius of triangle DEF will be equal to half times circumradius of triangle ABC. Now, let us say circumradius of triangle ABC is R. So, this is equal to R by 2. Now, in triangle ABC, we know that A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C is equal to 2R by sine rule. So, if I find the value of angle C, then I can find the value of circumradius R, right? Because this is known to us. Okay. Now, to find sin C, let us first find cos C by cosine rule. That is, cos C is equal to A square plus B square. That is 25 upon 4 into root 3 plus 1 whole square plus 25 into 2 upon 4 minus C square. That is 25 upon 2 times A into B. That is 5 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 into 5 root 2 upon 2, right? Solving this, we will get it equal to 1 by root 2. That is, the value of angle C is 45 degrees. So, sin C will also be equal to 1 by root 2. Hence, from equation 1, we can say that 5 upon 1 by root 2 upon 2 is the value of R. Hence, the circumradius of triangle DEF is R by 2. That is 5 root 2 upon 4. That is, the correct answer is option number 3. Next is question number 63, which says that for a frequency distribution, variance is computed by applying the formula where Fi is frequency of corresponding value xi and di is deviation of xi from the mean. A simple question from statistics. Here we just have to find the value of variance. Now we know that the standard deviation sigma is equal to under root 1 by n into summation Fi into xi minus x bar whole square, where n is equal to summation of Fi's, that is frequencies, and here it is given that xi minus x bar is equal to deviation di. Hence we can say that variance, that is sigma square, is equal to n can be put as summation Fi into summation Fi into xi minus x bar can be put as di. So this is di square. Hence the correct answer is option number 3. Next is question number 64, which says that 2 cards are drawn successively without replacement from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of drawing 2 face cards is. A simple question from probability in which we have to find probability of drawing 2 face cards. Let us say the event is E. So this will be equal to, now we have face cards as Jack, Queen and King, that is we have 4 into 3, that is 12 cards. So from 12 cards we have to draw any 2 cards. Number of elements in sample space will be, from 52 cards we draw any 2 cards, right? So this will be equal to 12 into 11 upon 52 into 51. That will be equal to 11 upon 221. So the correct answer is option number 2. Next is question number 65, which says that summation r equal to 1 to 13 sin r theta minus cos r theta is equal to 0, where theta is belonging from 0 to pi by 2. Then the number of values of theta is. Simply applying the summation on sin r theta and cos r theta, we will get sin theta plus sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta and so on up till sin 13 theta minus cos theta plus cos 2 theta plus cos 3 theta and so on up to cos 13 theta is equal to 0. Now we know the formula for summation of sine series, that is equal to sine of n beta by 2 upon sine beta by 2 into sine of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta. This is the formula for summation of sine series. So from here we will get that sine of, here n is equal to 13, n by 2 into beta, that is theta, upon sine of beta by 2, that is theta by 2, into sine of theta plus 13 minus 1, that is 12 upon 2, that is 6 into theta, minus, similarly we will get sine of 13 by 2 theta upon sine theta by 2 into cos of theta plus 6 theta, that is 7 theta, equal to 0. As sine theta by 2 is in the denominator, so we can say that sine theta by 2 should not be equal to 0. This is the one condition. Also, taking sine 13 by 2 theta common, we can say that either sine 13 theta by 2 is equal to 0 or sine 7 theta minus cos 7 theta is equal to 0, which says that tan 7 theta is equal to 1. So these are the 3 conditions that we get. So let us now check number of solutions. From here we get that 7 theta is either equal to pi by 4, that is in first quadrant, or third quadrant, that is pi plus pi by 4, that is 5 pi by 4, or it can be 5 pi by 4 plus pi, that is 9 pi by 4, or 13 pi by 4, or 17 pi by 4, and so on, right? And from here we will get that 13 theta by 2 is either equal to 0, but 0 is not in the given interval. So next it can either be pi or 2 pi or 3 pi or 4 pi and so on, right? So from here, value of theta is equal to 2 pi upon 13 or 4 pi upon 13 or 6 pi upon 13 or 8 pi upon 13. But this value is not in the given domain, right? Also from here we will get theta equal to pi upon 28 or 5 pi upon 28 or 9 pi upon 28 or 13 pi upon 28 or 17 pi upon 28. But that is not in the given domain, right? So we have how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And these values of theta satisfy this equation also, right? So the number of values of theta is 7.